off, the plan is to get this sensor back there. I'm going to take the box off him with the battery, and then this, which is the magnet. Obviously magnet, but I ain't going to use that one. I'm just going to put a magnet on here, so when it passes, it does that. But yeah, this is the key. You have to unscrew that shit in there, and then you've got a barrel, and you take the screw out the barrel, and you've got all these little pins. Take a couple of the pins out, and then as long as the key fits in there, it works, man. But yeah, I'm gonna unscrew this now, get to the wires, see how much more of this I can pull through without breaking anything. But yeah, it's gonna go there. I'm gonna put a normal crank on it. But yeah, should fully electric, then just by itself sort of thing. Like I said, man, it's getting there.